Okay, good morning. Welcome to Math Ideas 80. Are you ready? Tinky starts at the number 4 and counts by 8s. What is the 10th number that she counts? And then after we find the 10th number, we're going to try to find the 20th number. You excited?
Yep.
Alright, how would we do a problem like this?
We would make it like a chart.
Alright, you want to make a chart?
Yep.
Sounds good. Let's do this. Let's see if we can make a chart and maybe we'll see a nice little pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So what's the first number that Tinky has?
4.
She starts at 4. She's going to count by 8s. So what comes after, what number does she get to next?
12.
12, very good. And what comes after that?
20.
20, very good. And after 20 comes?
8.
28, wow, we're going really fast here. And what comes after 28?
36.
36, great job. And what comes after 36? The sixth number.
44.
Very good. Okay. And then the 7th number will be?
54. Not 50.
I don't think it'll be 54.
52.
52, very good. And then comes, we're almost there.
60.
60, yeah, awesome. And then?
68.
68, and here's the last one.
76.
76. That's the 10th number. Yes. Now let's see if there's another way we could look at this before we try to figure out what the 20th number is. The question is, how many times did she count up by 8? Let's take a look. 1, 2, 3, 4, beep, 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 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right? So she counted up by 8 9 times, right?
Mm-hmm.
Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So this should be the same as 4 plus 9 times 8. 4 plus 9 eighths. Do you know what 9 times 8 is, or do you not know 9 times 8?
9, 76? No.
No. Do you know what 10 times 8 is?
80.
80. Very good. 10 times 8 is 80, so 9 times 8 is 1/8 less than 80, which is 72. So this is 4 plus 72. And what is 4 plus 72?
76.
76, just like we had right there. Okay, so that was a shortcut way. Count how many steps you had to go up by 8, and you got there. Now let's use that way and see if we can figure out what the 20th number is. Are you ready?
Yep.
You a little jumpy this morning? What's the matter? Does your back itch?
No.
Okay. All right. So we're at 10. We found the 10th number, and we're going to try to figure out the 20th number, and we're just going to try to figure out how many steps we have to take to get to the 20th number. Okay, you ready? So we would have to go to the 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, and 20. You ready to count the number of steps that's going to take us? Okay. How many steps is it going to take us to go from 10 to 11?
1.
1. And then, actually, you come over here and draw those steps down. And so it's 1. And then step down here. How many steps is that? 2, 3, 4. What number comes after 3?
4.
4, yeah. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, infinity, 9, and 10. Okay, so Tinky has to take 10 more steps to get to the 20th number. And every time she takes a step, how many does she add?
She adds 8.
8. So what is 10 times 8?
10 times 8 is 80.
80. So she's going to be 80 higher than 76. So now we just have to figure out what 76 plus 80 is. Do you know what 76 plus 80 is?
70 plus 80. Or 80 plus 70.
Yeah, what is that, 70 plus 80?
50. No, not 50.
No, not 50. 70 plus 80 is... Yeah, come over to your spot. What is 70 plus 80? It's a tough one.
Let's see. Well, let's do 80 plus 76.
Well, let's do 70 plus 80. That's a good approach. Do you know what 7 plus 8 is?
7 plus 8 is 15.
Alright, 7 plus 8 is 15. That's exactly right. So what do you think 70 plus 80 is?
50? No.
No, it's got to be bigger than 50. Because 70 is bigger than 50. You want to count?
Yeah.
70, and then we have to go up 80. So we have to go up 8. Okay, so it's 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 100 and?
50.
So 7 plus 8 is 15, 70 plus 80 is 150. And what's 6 plus 0?
6.
Very good. And what is 150 plus 6?
156.
156. So there you go. So there's the 20th number. Yes, this is a kind of a tricky counting problem. So there's one way you can do it just by listing out all the numbers, and the other way you can do it is counting how many steps you have to go. Does that make sense?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, their homework problem is going to be just like this, actually. Good job today, sweetie. Oops.